Welcome to the channel, coming to you to cover the charts on Xcn. So let's get this kicked off and let's get it started. Let's go. Hope everybody's having a good day out there, starting out the day. Wherever you may be, some may already be up midday. Coming to the end of a day, but I hope it was a good day and I hope it starts a good day. So we're going to get over here to the charts on Xcn. We got the launch of the mainnet tomorrow. We're 1 day away. And we currently still down on the current day 0.95%. Xcn sits at a price of 0.00519. And here we are. Nothing's really going on with Xcn. We holding a little bit higher level than what we was. We was down back at the 0.0484, and since we got the information here on been waiting on the main net launch, we've been ranging from 0.0531 down to 0.0514, which we got a little buying to come in here from the 0.0485, and we got back up. We've been in this range and waiting on the Goliath mainnet to launch. And I went over and got some information from Grok about Goliath, and I wanted to bring that to you. Goliath is a layer 1 blockchain developed by the Onyx protocol. It's the team behind Onyx Coin Xcn ticker. It is designed as a high-performance enterprise-grade public network specifically built to meet the needs of financial institutions, banks, payment providers, mainstream adoption, while remaining open for developers and individual users. We're going to bring you the core purpose here. Yes, the Goliath aims to solve key barriers that have prevented most public blockchains from being widely used by traditional finance and large-scale applications. Extremely high transaction throughput, strong security and fairness, regulatory compliance tools, low fees, and fast finality. Means fast settlement. It positions itself as infrastructure for tokenization, payments, DeFi, identity, logistics, OT, and other real use cases that require speed and trust, similar to traditional systems like Visa. In the key technical features, performance. It targets 100,000 transactions per second within a single shard with consensus finality in seconds. Means selling in seconds. This is significantly faster than Ethereum and aims to rival or exceed traditional payment networks. And the consensus uses ABFT, a leaderless model that is highly resilient to attacks, including DDoS, and provides strong security guarantees. It also ensures fair access, no censorship, and fair ordering, transactions ordered by actual receipt time, reducing MEV/front-running issues. Architecture. It's multi-layered and modular. You got peer-to-peer transport layer, no reliance on DNS. Consensus layer for domestic ordering, You got services layer supporting native cryptocurrency smart contracts, distributed file storage, and the Goliath mesh for decentralized messaging, consensus on trends like bids or events, sharding for scalability. You got governance. You got control by the Onyx DAO where Xcn holders vote on proposals. This keeps decision making decentralized. And you got compliance and enterprise features, built-in support for optional identity mechanisms, data privacy, and tools that help institutions meet regulatory requirements without sacrificing the public nature of the chain. Got here the role of Xcn on Goliath. Once the mainnet launches, and it's scheduled for tomorrow, March 27, 2026, Xcn becomes the native gas token for paying transaction fees on Goliath. It will also continue to serve as the governance token for the Onyx DAO. Users will bridge their ERC20 Xcn from Ethereum to the new L1. Additional planned mechanics subject to governance votes like OIP-65. New staking, V2 with loyalty rewards, fee burning for deflationary pressure, potential liquid staking yields. Goliath mesh. A standout component is the Goliath mesh, a service that allows decentralized timestamp consensus on specific message trends. It separates consensus from execution, enabling applications to process logic off-chain while relying on Goliath for trusted ordering and proofs. Who is it for? It's for institutions and finance, banks, payment networks, and enterprises needing high speed, compliant infrastructure for token issuance, settlements, and value transfer. Developers, anyone can build dApps, issue tokens, deploy smart contracts, or use storage without needing permission. Users, individuals, benefit from fast, cheap transactions and a more stable, fair network. And in short, Goliath is Onyx's big bet on bridging crypto infrastructure with real-world finance, combining cutting-edge performance and security with practical compliance features that traditional blockchains often lack. The public mainnet goes live tomorrow, again, March 27th, 2026. After launch, the mainnet interaction point is expected to be slingshot.goliath.net for bridging, swapping, and DeFi activities. And they got down here on the note, this is a rapidly evolving project. And for more accurate details, check the official white paper at onyx.org/goliath.pdf and docs.goliath.net once mainnet is live. And it always says, and we bring it here, cryptocurrency involves significant risk. And always do your own research. So, not much volume on the 4-hour chart coming in on Onyx. You would expect, I was looking to see, maybe we could get some interest in coming into this launch on Goliath mainnet, but what we got going on outside on the fundamentals, not basically the technicals, the fundamentals on the war in Iran and what's going on. Troops headed that way. It's escalating more and more, but everything so far has been in our favor, America's favor, so except for the price of gas and diesel, but which is going to drive the price of everything else up. We are in a bear market, and they doing this mainnet right in the middle of a bear market with a war going on. And right now, retail is just not interested in crypto because we're in a bear market, and this is when you need to be accumulating. So we're going to see for the rest of today, we got about 14 hours. Let's see how much time we got left in this day. We got 13 hours and 32 minutes left in this day. And then it will be the 27th. But our time as far as launching will be, we still got about 18 hours. But it'll launch sometime tomorrow. I don't know what time. They didn't give a specific time. They just gave us a date. We get over here and we'll look at the RSI. We'll look at the relative strength index. And we got down in the oversold zone and we bounced and we came back up above the 50 here on March the 24th, 2 days ago. And we've basically been doing some consolidating across here. And right now, well, you see, we had a drop down right here. We're below the 50, which is not good. Volume up here is low. That's not good. I think volume, let's see what we got on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart's below the 50, that's not good. And the 30 minutes below the 50, that's not good. Just making lower lows and lower highs. There's no hidden bullish divergence. Price is not, RSI is not moving up while the price is moving down. I looked at the MACD also, it looks bearish. So, we're going to see coming into tomorrow when they launch Goliath, is it going to benefit? I think retail just sitting back and seeing what happens after Goliath launches. Will there be some type of bank interested? Will there be partnerships coming? We might start seeing some partnerships coming after they launch Goliath and they see the scalability, the speed, and the settlement on Xcn. If it all works out good, it's going to be very good on Xcn's part. With this Goliath, right now we're not seeing it's not pumping into this, so kind of odd, if you ask me. Not to be negative, but I think people's just waiting to see what's going to happen when they do launch it. There's going to be any problems because they've had to test this. They run the test net, but now it's going to go live. So far so good. They haven't come out and pushed no time or date back, so it must be doing what they need it to do. So that's one good part on it. We can bring to you. They haven't came back and said, hey, we can't do it on the 27th. We need to push it out another month. So everything that they run on the test net must have been, it must have done really good for them to go ahead and continue on with going live on tomorrow, the 27th. But right now, Xcn is basically moving with Bitcoin and the overall market. We could be lower than what we are, but we're not. I see other cryptos just twice has pulled back twice to, I like Canton Network, and it's pulled back 3.7%, where Xcen's only 1.72%. So ZBAC's 5.43%. So, and XRP's 2.72% on the day. So you have to consider the pullback. Xcen's holding up pretty good, relative pretty good. Above all, it's holding up better than Bitcoin and a lot of your other your other main alts. So take in consideration, we ain't pulling back as much as others because it's holding ground right here at 0.00515 within the range right here. So we're going to continue to call it as being neutral right now until tomorrow. As we get closer to the 27th, I'll come back and give you another update on that. I just wanted to bring you the charts, a little bit of the charts, and tell you right now, we're just above the 50, below the 50, just staying within this range of 00533 down to 00511. So you can continue that until tomorrow, and then once this goes live, then we might see a push up in the price of Xcn. But till next time, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.